Good morning and welcome to ShopWeldingSupplies.com. I am Andrew and today we're going to be talking about the Evo chop saw. The Evo chop saw is a 15-inch chop saw, comes standard with a 14-inch blade, but has the capability of moving up to a 15-inch blade. Today we're going to demonstrate how to remove the blade and change it for a new one. On the front of the saw there is a panel, usually incorporated with two screws. One screw we have missing, so we're just going to remove one and take the panel off. After removing the panel with the included Allen key, the blade is now available to be seen. There is an arbor right here. To get the blade to stop spinning and remove the blade, there is a button to be pushed right on the top of the saw. While holding the button on the top of the saw, use the included Allen key inside the bolt, loosen up. After loosening the bolt, feel free to let go of the button and hold the blade with your thumb on the outside of the guard. Do not hold on the teeth of the blade. Go ahead and completely remove the bolt, the washer, and the arbor holder. After removing that, place hand firmly on the blade to hold in place. Lift guard, and the blade will slide right out. Okay, now it's time to put the new blade on the saw. First thing I like to do is grab a pair of gloves, because when putting the blade on, you tend to touch the teeth a lot and I don't want to cut my hands. So I'll go ahead and put my gloves on real fast. And we've got our new blade here. First thing you do is lift the guard and slide the blade on in. When sliding the blade in, it tends to sometimes knock on stuff a little bit. That's okay. Do not crash it in or ram it in and break a tooth. If you take it in gently and it kind of touches, it's not going to hurt the blade. After getting the blade in, the hole on the arbor, go ahead and get it on there tight. With your right hand, hold the blade in place and go ahead and let the guard back down. The button that we talked about earlier, go ahead and push that button again to keep the blade from spinning. Grab the pieces you took off before, the arbor holder, the washer, and the bolt, and go ahead and start screwing on a little bit. See how I removed my hand from that button a second? Because I needed both hands to hold the blade. But now to get it tightened, push the button, go ahead and finish finger tightening, the included Allen key, give it a nice snug turn. Really want to put a little bit of force into it, not crazy, but just enough to make sure the blade is tight. Touch the blade and make sure it doesn't wobble inside of there. Any wobbling is going to mess up your cut. And the final step would be to replace the guard. Remember, there should be a screw here, which would go in first, allowing you to place the guard back on, but we don't have that screw, so we're just using our top screw, and you want to go ahead and get that nice and snug also. Thank you for watching.